This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, continuing with Paul Klee's Castle and Sun painting. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, as well as paints, glue, a paintbrush, a popsicle stick for spreading the glue, a packet of cardboard cutouts, and a canvas. To begin, use the cardboard cutouts as stencils and alternate and outline their shapes, designing a castle on your canvas. Don't press too hard to avoid poking holes on your canvas. Don't forget your windows and your doors. Once you are happy with your design, paint your background and your building. Try to paint each shape a different color. Don't forget to wash and dry your brush when changing colors to avoid unwanted mixing. Paint several of your cardboard cutouts and glue them on your canvas to add a three-dimensional effect to your painting. Add glue to the round metal button to add as the sun and the sky, and the jewel stickers for your stars. Your painting is complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.